What is up, guys? It's me, Trey. How are you today? I hope you are okay. So for today's video, we are back in our Zoom 101 wherein we're going to teach people, mas more likely teachers, about Zoom things. Zoom things. Mga pwedeng gawin sa Zoom. Alright, so let's for today's video, we are going to talk about the new update of Zoom, which they call focus mode, wherein you can see your learners or you can see your students pero hindi na nakikita ang isa't isa. Now, let's start. Go to your Zoom muna first. Go to your Zoom. Alright? And then what you have to do is, of course, update your Zoom. Update muna kayo ng Zoom. So, to do that, click your face. Click your profile here. And then it will show you a drop down. It's not a drop down, it's a pop-up pala. Tapos you have to look for check for updates. Siyempre, click that one, and then there is an update available now. I have here the newest version 5.7.5. Okay, that is the newest update. So just update your laptop. I will update mine. And you already updated your Zoom. Now, let's recheck if there is more updates. And pag naka-update na kayo sa latest version, makikita nyo dito, you are up to date. You are on the latest version, and the latest version ay makikita dito. Now, to proceed to the focus mode, what you have to do is you can go to zoom.us. Give me a second. Zoom.us. Of course, you need to log in your account. Siyempre ako naka-log in na, so just click that one. And then go to settings. After going to settings, makikita nyo dito yung sub-things na kailangan nyo makita. Sub-things. Hindi alam yung term. Okay, so in meeting, advanced, just click that one at makikita nyo dito, scroll down, and you will see this video filters, immersive view, and focus mode. So these things here ay available lang sa version na ayaw magpakita ng version. Give me a second, ayaw pala mag-load. Ayan, version 5.6.3 or later. So if you're sa immersive view, kapag ang Zoom ninyo ay 5.6.3, viewable na siya. Pwede nyo na siyang gamitin. For the focus mode, same. Pag 5.7.3 ng inyong Zoom, you can already use your focus mode. Okay, so normally kapag tinignan nyo to, naka-off yan. Naka-off. So what you need to do is just turn it on, and then turn it on, and then check your Zoom para makita nyo kung ano yung immersive view and focus mode. Alright, now since tapos na tayo dito, let's go to Zoom. Let me just click that one. Alright. Okay, I'll just create a new meeting. Okay, due to privacy setting, I don't know if I could screen record Zoom, pero let's check if we can. Alright, still connecting. Let's give it a second or two para yeah, there you go. So we already have the Zoom, and let's check kung available na ba talaga yung ating, let's read that one, yung ating things. Yung mga binago natin. Alright, so once you open your Zoom, for example, meron tayong mga students here. To activate focus mode, you just need to click more dito sa baba na screen, more, and then start focus mode. And then you will see a pop-up saying start focus mode, and then just say start. Basically, we cannot see the effect since wala akong audience for today, but later I will show you I will ask people for this certain feature. Alright, so there you have it. After this video, papakita ko yung itsura ng focus mode. So if you like these kinds of content, please comment down below kung ano naman gusto nyong next na kailangan natin gawin. That will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Sa muli po natin pagkikita. Paalam!